Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Betia's e-learning class of English Standard 4. So today we are going to do the question answer of chapter Before the Match. Section A. Read the sentences, mark whether they are true or not true. If the sentence is not true, write the correct sentence in your notebook. Question number 1. Swami was the best bowler on the MCC team. True. Second, Swami was not attending cricket practice regularly. True. 3. Swami asked the headmaster to let him attend cricket practice. Not true. The right answer will be Swami did not want to go and asked the headmaster for permission by himself. 4. Swami was feeling ill and had delirium. Not true. Answer. Swami was making up excuses to be excused from drill class so that he could go and practice for the cricket match. Question number 5. The doctor asked Swami not to attend drill for a week. Not true. The right answer will be the doctor told Swami that he would speak to the headmaster and ask him to let Swami off after 4:30. B. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. First, there was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. A. Who caused whom the deepest anxiety? Answer. Swami caused the deepest anxiety to Rajam. B. Why was this so? Answer. Swami was not attending cricket practice regularly even though the match was only a fortnight away. Question number 2. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. A. What is the match referred to here? Answer. The match was the cricket match that the Malgudi Cricket Club was going to play against the Young Men's Union. B. Why was the evenings so precious? Answer. The evenings were precious because the match was only a week away and Swami needed time to practice and improve his bowling skills as much as possible before the match. 3. But contrary to custom, he had not taken off his coat and a cap. A. Why did Swami not take off his coat? Answer. Swami wanted to get out of drill class, so he did not take off his coat and B. What happened soon after? Answer. The drill master refused to allow Swami to leave the class. So, Swami desperately followed him around and told him that he was suffering from delirium and would die if he attended drill class. The drill master was furious and asked him to leave even though he did not believe Swami's words at all. 4. I can't give you a certificate. A. Why did the speaker refuse to give Swami a certificate? What did he offer to do instead? Answer. Dr. Keshwan refused to give Swami a certificate because Swami was not ill. If he still gave a certificate, it would be false and illegal. He offered to speak to the headmaster of Swami's school instead and to request him to allow Swami to leave early. B. How did Swami respond to the offer? Answer. Swami agreed and thanked Dr. Keshwan. Now we will do the book work. Use must not or should not to write a sentence in reply to the first one. Use the words in bracket. What you have to do, you have to apply must or must not, should or should not in in the sentence according to whatever it is written in the first one. And you have to use the bracket words also. For example, she is not feeling very well. Bracket, see a doctor. We have to use the bracket one and must or must not or should not. So the answer will be she must see a doctor. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now next one, match the two halves of these sentences. Choose the correct words from the boxes to complete them. Write the complete sentences in your notebook. Now you can see in the box all the words have been given. Now what you have to do, first you have to match the column A to the column B. Then you have to put the words in the column B, fill in the blanks according to the sentences. For example, first one, Hari was selected for the quiz contest and the answer will be D, was quite excited about the participating in it. Likewise, all have been done for you. Now homework for you, do word meaning and question answer in your copy and do book work in your book. I hope you understood the question answer of this chapter. Thank you.